How do roughing cycle, undercut cycle, subprogram repetition, and radius compensation actually work together? In this video, you'll see the process step by step so you can understand when each command is used and why it's needed exactly at that point. The machining starts with longitudinal turning. Using G1, the blank is faced to x minus 1.6 across the center of rotation. Next comes the longitudinal roughing using cycle G81. The stepped contour is rough machined, with 2.5 mm depth of cut and finishing allowances of 0.1 mm in Z and 0.5 mm in X. The cycle ends with G80. The tool then rapid traverses back to the position it was in when the cycle was called. Now the contour is finish machined. G23 calls up the same contour blocks used in roughing. To avoid leaving excess material on upward slopes or causing overcut on downward slopes, G42 is activated, right side radius compensation. Next is the external thread, produced with the threading cycle G31. The workpiece rotates with constant spindle speed using G97 and with M3, spindle clockwise. Just before that, you can spot a small groove, the so-called thread undercut. It's part of the contour and was already machined during the roughing and finishing passes. Without this undercut, the thread couldn't be cut completely, as the threading tool would otherwise run into full material. The last threads would end up incomplete or damaged. To finish, 2 consecutive 5 mm deep grooves are cut using the radial grooving cycle G86. Parameter H, 14, defines the sequence, first roughing, then finishing. As you can see, every command serves its purpose, and only together do they result in a precise and functional workpiece.